Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review on XERO. Now, XERO is an accounting software made for small businesses and sole traders. So you get back to what you love with XERO. Now you can try accounting software for everyday businesses. Explore XERO accounting software and its tools for small businesses, accountants and bookkeepers. We have the XERO accounting app. You can pay bills easily, claim expenses. Just explore all the features and see. So you can accept payments, online invoicing, bank connections, claim expenses, integrate apps, bank reconciliation, pay bills, track projects, payroll, purchase orders, reporting, quotes, inventory, multi-currency accounting, manage sales contacts, sales tax, capture data, online file storage, analytics, accounting dashboard, manage fixed assets, and XERO accounting app. So like we say, you can also integrate apps with XERO, so they're here. So use of testimonies, and you can start using them for free. You get the features for 30 days and decide which plan best suits your business. Let's look at the plans quickly. So these are the plans. We have starter plan, standard, and premium, and these are what you get from it. So what are you waiting for? XERO is for you if you are a small business accountant or bookkeeper, media, investors, app developers, channel partners, and affiliates. Go for XERO today. So it's a great accounting software. It gets a lot of resources and the popular features we've mentioned before. So you can easily compare them with QuickBooks or FreshBooks. So start today.